a kid, I went to a lot. Pero nakalimutan ko na, like, most of it. Like, my parents said na I went to 7. But I forgot, like, all of them. But all I know is, I went to... Kamukama Zainab. Really? Thank you. I went to Guam, Hawaii, Japan, Korea. Yan lang yung alala ko. Tapos Hong Kong, recently Hong Kong. Kasama mo family mo. When I went to Hong Kong, it was just me. I went solo. That's why I was so nervous. Pero okay naman. The airport was easy to, you love you, God bless you. Thank you, Jumari. What's your lippy? Oh, okay. For my lippy, wait, nawala ko. Wait lang. My lippy is the BLK ba yun? Nawala ko. Wait lang, girl. I will find it for you. Ayun, ito. It is the Happy Skin Lip Mallow Tint in Shade Souffle. It's Happy Skin Shade Souffle. Shout out sa'yo, girl. Tapos yung gloss, I'm using the Kiko Milano, yung ganito. Hindi, huwag ka mag-lip muna kasi it's not yet 10K. Guys, mag-tap-tap-tap kayo. I'm scared to go to school kasi meron na PM sa class. Hala, ang daming ganun. Like, please stay safe kasi ang daming ganun. Guys, at school, stay safe ha. Huwag kayong don't test anyone. I remember before, I was so happy na instead of the States, kasi my parents were thinking na I should grow up sa States. I'm happy they chose the Philippines kasi ang daming, di ba, yung incident sa